Here's a 2016 Lexus ES300H. Once you arrive on the scene in this luxury hybrid sedan, people will instantly know things about you. You are aggressive, assertive, and demand only the best, like high performance and efficiency. So you drive a car complete with Drive Mode Select, allowing you to make your drive more responsive or efficient with just a simple turn of a dial. Meanwhile, Siri Eyes-Free, high-speed dynamic radar cruise control, and Lexus Enform remote apps with Safety Connect satisfy your need for peace of mind.
Your favorite music has never sounded better thanks to the Mark Levinson sound system. It's too hot. It's too cold. Not anymore with dual zone climate control. Safety comes from being aware of your surroundings, and for that, the blind spot indicator can't be beat.
This ES300H is ready to satisfy your driving desires. Make it yours today.
Call us now for more information on this vehicle or visit today. We're conveniently located at 13909 Lee Jackson Memorial Highway in Chantilly.